If you want to hard reset your Apple Watch, you have to start by opening this settings. So click on the crown control button, and right now just simply search for settings. When you are here, you will have to start scrolling again, and you have to open general settings. Right now you will have to scroll into the option reset, go for it. And now, as you can see, we can simply select reset, erase all content and the settings. Now we have to input our current passcode. And right now, another information, what it does, how it looks. So we have to click to erase all. And now the process will start. So now we just have to wait until it will be finished. It will actually take around few moments. It actually depends of how much data you have on it, some photos, music, stuff like this. You just have to be patient and wait for it. And now, as you can see, we have to make verification on our iPhone to input our password, and then you have to just simply follow on-screen instructions.